Your organization is a well-oiled machine, but how does it cope with the unpredictable?
To the continuing supply shortage.
Companies moving production overseas.
A Category 1 hurricane.
Don't wait for parts. Print them. Print metal, continuous carbon fiber, and many more industrial materials, whenever and wherever you need them. Big parts, strong parts, precise parts. Replace physical inventory with digital inventory, all in one seamless platform. We help big companies, reliable companies, smart companies, all with a click of a button.
Markforged and the Digital Forge platform, it is a game changer in manufacturing.
There was a material shortage from one of our vendors, so when that supply chain hiccup happened, we were able to print.
You can pretty much print anything with Markforged.
You can make things on that you just simply can't machine.
I honestly didn't think it would be as good as it is. I was blown away. Something that would have taken us 2-3 weeks to machine, I did it in 2 days.
Welcome to resilient, flexible manufacturing. Welcome to Markforged.